Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Antelope Island is the largest island in Utah's Great Salt Lake. Buffalo Point Trail is one of the amazing hikes you can do at Antelope Island State Park. This trail is 1 mile round trip and is short and easy enough for most families. This is one of the shortest but uphill climb hike on Antelope Island and offers a 360-degree panoramic view of the Great Salt Lake. The trail starts from the west end of the parking area. There is no shade, moderately steep with a 300 feet elevation. Buffalo Point Trail was the gem of Antelope Island for me. It is incredibly scenic with beautiful shoreline and beaches, mountain areas, and interesting geology. Once you get to the top, the trail widens and splits off in many sections. There are numerous big boulders to climb on and explore, see the gorgeous Great Salt Lake and the surrounding mountains. This trail is also one of the best places to catch the sunset. I love the sunset here with stunning reflections on the lake. Buffalo Point Trail is another destination that I would add to your list. It was a fun little hike which only takes about 15 to 20 to hike up, and I'm glad to have done this hike.